Alright, Donnie has just turned the PTO on. Show you that this is an F750 mechanics body with crane. This one has a Liftmore crane. As you can see, there are several compartments in this crew cab diesel F750. You'll find in the first and second doors, you have drawers and a shelf, 6 drawers to be exact. The middle compartment has 1 shelf. On the driver's side, we're looking at additional shelving in the 3rd compartment, and in this back there's additional storage. As you can see, this truck has been sprayed. Makes it, yeah, this is going to prevent you from falling. It's going to be a lot less slippery. Donnie, what's the tow capacity or on this truck? I see that it does have, do you know that off the top of your head?
Gross combined weight rating of 50,000 pounds, so it's probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 30,000.
About 30,000 pounds. He said the truck's combined weight rating is about 50,000 pounds. We're walking around to the passenger side now, where you're going to see the controls, the guts of the crane. You've got your hose. He's going to get this for us. Again, on the middle compartment, you have the single shelf. You have some holders for your cylindrical saline and oxygen, and another compartment with shelving. Alright, this is the 6.7 liter Power Stroke diesel. Everybody knows what a great engine you're looking at there as far as reliability and efficiency. Now, in addition to this, oh, there it goes. We're lifting that crane up now. So some of the things that you might be able to do with this truck, called a mechanic's body with crane, lift some engines. If you're a mobile mechanic, you can use this logistically to move heavier equipment up to 10,000 pounds with this particular Liftmore crane. Donnie used to work for a company that sold bigger boom trucks, boom cranes, and he was telling how he would pick things up out of his yard. Very small objects with these very large cranes. But yeah, this truck is going to help you go anywhere. You're going to be able to work smarter, not harder, with your onboard toolboxes and compartments. You'll be organized and more productive. You can get to more challenging locations, remote locations. You can lift building materials, engines, machinery, all types of things with ease. Now this one is, like I said, the diesel. I have some 550s that also have a diesel engine, and those are extended cab with a 6,000-pound crane. I also have a 650 with the 7.3 liter Godzilla engine. That's a gas engine. Those cranes are electric over hydraulic. This particular 750 is PTO driven. And if you're like me, and I've only been doing this a short while and you don't know what that means, it's going to power off your transmission. So that is why he flipped that auxiliary switch. You and your whole crew can get what you're going and get the job done. Give us a call for a quote here at Speedway Ford Commercial Vehicle Center. We are located just south of Atlanta. You can fly in, drive the truck where you need it to go. We offer courtesy pickup, or we can get the truck to you. We have a transport availability for drivers who can get it to you. So give us a call at 770-229-1600, option 2. That is option 2. When you dial 770-229-1600, Speedway Ford Commercial Vehicle Center. I'm Tracy, and my video buddy is Donnie. Ask for us. We're happy to help.